Hey everybody, I'm Georgette.
I'm William.
And tonight we are at Old Town. Old Town is a cheaper alternative to the theme parks. There are shops, restaurants, rides.
Tattoo shops. There's a spa area that will fit your feet.
Sounds great. So we're gonna look around, see what Old Town has, maybe go in some of the shops, and take you along with us. Behind us is the Extreme Ninja Challenge. It's $15 to try the course. Just keep in mind you do have to sign a waiver if you go in there.
You gotta have some strong form because everything is grabbing. You gotta like hold on to stuff. With all this weight I got, man, I ain't holding on to nothing.
So on the other side of the parking lot of Old Town is Fun Spot. That's what you see behind me. You can actually get into Fun Spot for free as well as Old Town. But if you choose to ride any of the rides or do any of the events, there is a charge. The first shop we're heading into is called Groovy. Now this is a bohemian style or hippie style of a shop. It has shirts, dresses, jewelry. They also have cute bags as well as buttons and just collectibles that you can take home. I really like all of the graphic tees that they have, and who doesn't want a tie-dye t-shirt? The next store that we're walking into is called Scully's. This one really grabbed my attention because of all of the colors. They have dashikis. Where can you find those now? All the denim jackets you could possibly want. They have the most band tees I've ever seen in one shop, as well as some really cool horror shirts that you can't find anywhere. The next store we're going into is called Lots of Laughs. It has novelty t-shirts and signage, lots of random items kind of throughout the store, a ton of t-shirts. They also have stickers and keychains and some really unique old style of carnival games. The next store we're walking into is called Wound and Around. This store has more of a nostalgic vibe. It has t-shirts with Marilyn Monroe, I Love Lucy. They have a really cool selection of Hawaiian t-shirts as well as some Betty Boop shirts. It definitely has a 1950s to 1960s vibe throughout the store. Now we're gonna stop by an ice cream shop called Sweet Dreams. This is homemade ice cream. They do have a lot of unique flavors. Just be sure to ask the cashier what flavors they actually have. On the night we went, they actually were out of a lot of flavors. Okay, so we stopped by Sweet Dreams, the homemade ice cream shop. What do you guys think?
So I got bubble gum. I don't know how to feel about it. I've never had it. It's okay. I honestly wasn't expecting one scoop, but that's okay. I would recommend it. They didn't have a lot of ice creams because we came here late, so just keep that in mind in the future. Okay, I'm leaving.
It tastes good, but they did not have the two I wanted. So, but it does taste good though. I got a waffle cone and they didn't. I don't think they really fit that much in it. They only like fit it like on the top, like this is all empty. So yeah.
Okay, so I didn't get any ice cream, but I do have to say I was a little disappointed with the one scoop thing. For two, it was $17, so it's kind of expensive. So from what I can tell, Old Town just has a lot of random shops. There's a haunted house, which I thought was actually pretty cool, but they were not open. Now we're going into the last section of Old Town. This section has a really cool store. It's called Black Market Minerals. It has a lot of different rocks and gemstones. They have bracelets, necklaces. They even have salt rock lamps, which I thought was really cool. Just a lot of random stuff that's made from gemstones just throughout the store. They have statues as well as
stones that you can just set on your desk for decorations. Just a lot of unique stuff throughout this store.
So this stuff right here is called pyrite, or if you're from the South, it's called fool's gold. When I was little, I was obsessed with this stuff. I thought it was real.
Just behind that last section of Old Town, you can walk in the fun spot. There is a ticket booth there, but just keep in mind they do seem to close that booth a bit early. Since we couldn't get tickets to Fun Spot, we decided to go into the Kissimmee Popcorn Company, where they have different flavors of popcorn and some really unique flavors also. We decided to come back over to Black Market Minerals to look around one more time.
They sell fake crystals here because I just did a singing bowl and it sounded like metallic chalk. That's all I needed to say.
Since we couldn't really do any rides, we stopped by Black Market Minerals, and we all, well, not all of us, but we got a couple of bags of dirt. So we're gonna go see if we can find anything cool. Each of the bags have different rocks or minerals or whatever. So we got 3 of the mother lode bags. Those are $25 a piece, and it's supposed to be the best of all the crystals, or potentially the best crystals that you can get here. So we're getting set up back there and we're gonna try it now. Definitely recommend, if you're a parent, you're doing this with your kids, to look through the sifter before they dump it out. There could be a mineral or a fossil or a gemstone in there that they may miss. Okay guys, that's going to be it for us here at Old Town. Thank you for hanging out with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on all things old. Until next time.